Class 6 Mathematics, Chapter 15, that is the Geometrical Construction. I am R.S. Prasad. So today I will start your geometrical construction. Let us see what will happen in this exercise. So this exercise, the first question, draw a line segment of 5 centimeters and draw a line parallel to it at a distance of 3 centimeters. First of all, you can draw a line 5 centimeters and draw parallel line at a distance of 3 centimeters. Let us see how can draw this one. Draw a line segment AB, that is the 5 centimeters. As you know, this one is AB and it is your 5 centimeters. So you can see. Now remove the scale here and write the line AB. It is A and this one is B. And the distance of this one is 5 centimeters. Now take a point P on this. So you have to write this point is P and make an angle of 90 degree at this point. So you can draw with the help of compass. Take a distance 1.5 centimeter in your rounder and make a 90 degree angle at this point, P point. So let us see how can do this. So it's a very simple. You can draw with the help of compass like this. Yes. Now take this one at that point and increase the distance of the rounder like this and fix them and take an arc like this. Once again keep at this point and make an arc like this one. Now join to this intersection line. Now remove the rounder and join with the help of this one scale. Yes, like this. And further take a distance of 3 centimeters on this. Now take a distance 3 centimeters. Now take a distance 3 centimeters on compass and cut from here like this. Yes, now remove this one. Take a distance 1.5 centimeters in your compass and keep at the point Q, this one, and make angle 90 degrees. How can make this angle 90 degrees? So you can see here. Make an arc like this. Yes. Now once again we can take this point and increase the distance, this one. Yes. Now fix the distance and make an arc like this. Once again keep it this point and make an arc like this. Now remove the compass and draw a line with the help of scale. You can see this line is here, and also draw the line that side. Yes, and the name of this line is CD. It is C and D, which is parallel to AB, and the distance of between this one is, so the distance is 3 centimeter. PQ is 3 centimeter. As you know, PQ Now construct the following angle with the help of set square. So as you know, set square has two types. So this one is the first type and this one is the second type. So that is the 60-30 set square and it is the 45 set square. What is the meaning of 60-30? So in one angle, that angle is 60 degree. So you can see this angle of set square is 60 degree and it is 90 degree, and this one is your 30 degree. Now you can draw with the help of these angles. So this angle in this second one is, it is the 45 angle, and once again it is also 45 angle, and this one is your 90 degree angle. So with the help of these set square you can construct this one. 45 angle you can make from this angle, this set square, second set square. It is done by the second set square, and the 60 angle you can done by this 60 degree angle with the first set square. So you can say it is the first set square and it is the second set square. So you can draw with the help of these set square. And what about to 30 degree? 30 degree is here, so you can draw with the help of this one. And what is the 90 degree? 90 degree you can draw both of them, any one. So you can draw with the help of this one, otherwise you can draw with the help of this one. So what about to 120? 120 how can draw? You can see, and now remove the scale and write the AB here. So it is the A and B, and it is 5 centimeters, so you have to write 5 centimeters. Now take roundel, and you can keep the distance more than half in the roundel or compass. So how can do this one? Keep roundel here and take a distance more than half, and then make an arc here, first upward and now second the downwards. So here you can make this one arc, it is here, this type of arc. Now keep the roundel at B, this type, and make an angle and make an arc here. So you can make this arc like this, and secondly make this arc. Now remove the compass and draw a line segment like this. In the second question, that is the line segment, that is the 4.5. So first of all, you can draw line 4.5 centimeters. So it is the 4.5 centimeters, and remove the scale and write the length of AB. So that length is AB, and which one? It is 4.5 centimeters. So you have to write 4.5 centimeters. So let us start. How can do this? Bisect. So we can take compass and take at the point of A. Here is point of A. Now remove the scale and now make an arc like this. and also make above part. So this type you can make. Now keep the roundel at the point B like this and make an arc like this. That is the C point, and C is the bisector of AB. C is the bisector of AB. So you can draw very well this type. So let us do the third part of this question. In third part, that is the 3.6 centimeters. So let us do first draw a line that is the 3.6 centimeters with the help of a scale. So that is the 3.6 centimeters. So you can draw like this 3.6 centimeters. This one is the 3.6 centimeters. Now remove the scale and take compass and keep here. First of all, you can write the name. That name is A and B, and the distance is 3.6 centimeters. So you have to write 3.6 centimeters. Now keep the roundel at the point B like this and take distance more than half. So you can take this time and make an arc like this. Now further make to here. Yes, like this. And also draw a line with the help of this point of intersection. Yes. Now write the point. This one is the C, and C is the bisector of AB. So point C, you can say point C. Point C is the bisector of AB. So now come to the fourth part. The distance is given as 5.4 centimeters. So let us start. First of all, draw this line segment, and that is the 5.4 centimeters. So you can draw with the help of a scale. It is 5.4 centimeters. You have to see this one, the 5.4 centimeter. Now remove the scale and write the line segment, that is the AB, and the distance is 5.4 centimeters. So you have to write 5.4 centimeters. Now take a roundel or compass and keep this point A and make an arc and take a distance more than half. It is a more than half, and fix the distance, and now make an arc like this. Once again, you can take here that side and you can make an arc also. Now and bisector of the line segment, so you can do very well. The compass and scale. So how can draw the angle with the help of compass and scale? Let us see how can draw this. The first question, that is the 60 degree. How can draw the 60 degree? First of all, you can draw a line segment that is the 6 centimeter like this. Now remove the scale and take your roundel or compass. Write the line that is the B and it is the C. And at B you can make a 60 degree angle with the help of compass. How can? It's a very simple. You can make this type of line, and now keep the compass on this point and make further a line arc, and now remove the compass and make a line with the help of a scale. That is the point of intersection. So that one is the 60 degree angle. You can see it is a 60 degree, so perfectly 60 degrees. So you can draw with the help of compass and scale, and you can draw every angle with the help of this, and it is the perfectly okay. So let us see the next angle, how can draw the. The second angle is 90 degrees. So how can draw 90 degree? Let us see. First of all, take the scale and now draw a line segment that is the 6 centimeter. That is the BA. So now remove the scale and write the BA, and that is 6 centimeter. Now with the help of compass we can draw this 90 degrees. Let us see. Roundel keep at the B and you can make the second arc. It is very similar to that. Do now make an arc above part like this. Yes. Now keep the roundel or compass on this point and make an arc like this. Yes, write a point A. You can write here point A. But how can know it's a 90 degrees? So you can measure with the help of protractor. So you can see it is a clearly 90 degree angle. So this is the perfectly. Now remove this and you can write here it is the 90 degree. Now come to the third question, third part of this question. Now the third part, it is 120 degrees. So how can do this one 120 degrees? So let us see. First of all, take the scale and now you can draw a line 6 centimeters, and that line is AB. It's 6 centimeter. Now remove the scale and write here A. At B we can put the roundel at B or compass and make an arc like this. It's a very simple. So you can draw this type. Yes, very easy. Now you can take this one and make an arc like this. This one, it is the first arc. Now keep at this one point and you can make second arc like this. Now remove the compass and now draw a line with the help of a scale, and that is the line, and you can write here the point A. So your angle ABC is equal to 120 degree. But how can say it is 120 degrees? So you have to write here 120 degree. But how can say it is 120 degrees? With the help of a protractor you can measure the angle. So you can see here it is a 120 degree. It is very clear. So let us do the fourth part of this question. That is the 150 degrees. So how can draw 150 degree with the help of compass and scale? So first of all, take the scale and draw a line. It is 6 centimeter. Now remove the scale and write here BC, that is the 6 centimeter, and the uh, an arc draw from B with the help of compass. So you can take this one is, and we can take here at B, and now we want to draw an arc here like this. So this one is the method to draw here. Now this one is the method to draw here. So it BC is equal to 150 degrees. So it's the completed of the all the angles. So let us see the next question. Question number 5. Bisect the above angles using the compass and scale. So first angle is 60 degrees, then second is 90 degrees, then third is 120 degree, and fourth one is 150 degree. So first of all, we can draw these angles with the help of protractor and then bisect with the help of compass and scale. So let us see how can do this. So how can say it is 45 degree? Let us see with the help of protractor. So you can see it is 45 degree. You have to see very clearly it is 45 degrees. So you can do very well. Now remove this and the right. Now come to the third part of this question. Bisect this angle. How can bisect? With the help of compass. Let us see here. So now you can draw an arc like this, and once again from here you can draw this type of arc like this. Now remove the compass and draw a line segment from B to this point of vector and draw equal angles with the help of compass and scale. So that is the two questions. First up you can draw this angle and then make the angle equal angle. That is the first is 65 degrees, second is 92 degree, and third is 108 degree, fourth is 126 degree, and fifth one is the 153 degree angle. So let us start how can do this. The first part of this question, that is the 65 degrees. So let us do, first of all you can draw the 65 degree angle. So first of all you can draw a line that is the 6 centimeter and remove the scale and write the line that is the BC. And what will be happen in this? Now you can make an angle that is a 65 degree with the help of protractors. So let us do here. You can see here, and the angle 65 degree. How can this one is? It is 10, 20, 50, 60 and 65. You can put here point and remove this, and now draw a line to this, and it's make an angle of 65 degree. So you can write here the angle is 65 degrees. So you can write here it is the 60 is, so this type of arc, and you can do also this type of arc here at this point, and that point is Q, and you can do like this. Yes, you can do this type. Yes, correct. Now what will be happen? Now keep this point this point and measure this angle. You can see here, pick this angle and now cut this type of arc, and you can take here also and cut this arc also. Now remove the compass and draw a line segment from this, and that one is, you can see here, it is very clear, and write the name of this one. It is P and it is Q and it is R. As you know, angle of PQR is equal to angle of ABC. That means it will be 65 degree. So now measure this angle. It may be 65 or not. So with the help of protractor you can measure this angle. You can see it is a 65 degree. It is very clear that is a 65 degree. So you can do very well. Now come to the second part of this question, and that is the 92 degree. First of all, you can draw a line segment and then make an angle of 92 degree with the help of this protractor. Yes, you can, where is the 92 degree? You can see here it is the 90 and here is 92. This point is 92. Now remove this and draw a line segment from here, and that is the line segment. Yes, so this angle will be your 92 degrees. So you have, yes, you can draw like this. Yes, it is very clear. Now once again you can take this point here and you can draw like this. Yes, now take this, measure this angle with the help of this one. How can we can measure like this? It is here, you can see here. Now fix this point and make an arc like this. So once again you can keep here and make an arc like this. Now remove the compass and draw a line segment from here. It is now, and now write the name. It is PQR. It is P and Q and R. So as you know, angle of PQR becomes 92 degree. It may be or not. So you can see here how you can do. It is 92 degrees. So you can measure with the help of protractor. So you can see here with the help of protractor, it will be your 92 degree. You can see here. Yes, it will be your 92 degrees. So you can see very well. You can. It is a very easy to do this. Now come to the next part of this question. Now draw a line segment that is the 6 centimeter or 5 centimeters. You can take 5 centimeters. Now remove this one, and with the help of protractor we can measure the angle. You can this type. Now you can keep like this and make 108 degrees. So that is the 98. Yes, and now give the name, that is the A, and it is your B, and that one is your C, and this angle is equal to 108. So let us start how can draw on this angle. So angle of ABC is equal to 108 degree. So let us start how can draw this. So this one is the line segment. You can draw 5 centimeter. It is 5 centimeters. Now remove the scale and take rounder at the point this one at point B, and keep a distance some low like this and draw an arc like this. It is very simple to draw this arc. Yes. Now the same arc you can draw here like this, and now measure the angle from here, this type of angle, and this is the angle. Now take at this point and make an arc like this, and remove this and join to the line with the help of a scale. Yes, and you can see it is also 108 degrees. So let us see how can. So angle, you can write the PQR. It is P, it is Q, and it is R. So angle PQR will be equal to how much? It is 108 degrees. So let us see how can. So this is your protractor. You can measure the angle with the help of. So you can see here it is 108 degree. It is very clear. It is 108 degree. So now remove and write to this 108 degree. Now the fourth one, and the fourth one is 126 degree. So let us see how can do. Here is 120 and that one is the 126. Yes, that one is 126. Now remove the protector and draw a line segment, and you can see here this one is your line segment, and give the name, and name is ABC. So that point is A and it is B and it one C. So your angle is 126. This angle is 126 degree. So you have to write here the angle ABC is equal to 126 some low, and make an arc like this. Yes. Now you can do like the same. You can do the same like this. Yes. Now keep at this point and measure the angle. This is the angle. So you can measure this one angle and make an arc like this. Very similar to do this point. You can do same thing. Now remove the compass and draw a line segment which is passing through the point of intersection. like this, and write the name of this point, that is the P, and it is the Q, and it is your R. So angle of PQR will be equal to 126 degree. So let us see with the help of protractor. So protractor is here, so you can keep here protractor, and you can measure, that is the 126 degree. So it is very clear. So you can remove this one, and now try to the do for the fifth part, that is the 153 degree. Let us start. So fifth one is the 153. So you can draw the line segment 5 centimeters here. So this one is the 5 centimeter, you can see here, that is the 5 centimeter. And now remove this one and make an angle of 153. So how can make the angle 153? So you can see it is the 153.